Hello, dear students. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all. I hope you are safe and you are healthy and you are happy and enthusiastic. Today, dear students, once again, myself Mahesh Pisu is here to entertain you with my video and just share with you my knowledge about English language and literature. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about grade 7 CBSE expert detectives question and answers on the lesson. Okay, so we ready and start for your learning. Dear students, we'll start the discussion on question answers of expert detectives. Here, question number 1. What did Nishad give Mr. Nath and why? So, what Nishad actually gave Mr. Nath and why had he given him? Nishad gave a bar of chocolate to Mr. Nath because he thought that Mr. Nath was poor and starving. So Nishad thought that Mr. Nath was poor and starving, and therefore he gave him a bar of chocolate. We'll go towards question number second. What is strange about Mr. Nath's Sundays? What is strange about Mr. Nath's Sundays? On every Sunday, this is answer, dear students. On every Sunday, Mr. Nath was with a tall, fair, stout man wearing spectacles in his room who used to talk a lot, unlike Mr. Nath. So this was unusual. This was strange about Mr. Nath's Sunday, that there was a young man, there was a tall, fair, stout man wearing spectacles in his room who used to talk a lot, but Mr. Nath, he speaks, he talks less. Question number 3. Why did Nishad and Maya get a holiday? Answer. The monsoon broke and flooded the streets with a heavy downpour. Therefore, no traffic could move through the flooded roads, so Nishad and Maya got an unexpected holiday. So we'll proceed towards question number 4. You have to understand this question properly. What does Nishad find out about Mr. Nath from Ramesh? Arrange the information as suggested below. So these are the points. Logically, according to these points, you have to write what information Nishad had collected about Mr. Nath. First point, what he eats, when he eats, what he drinks and when, how he pays. Pays means how he paid the bills. So answer is Nishad find out from Ramesh that Mr. Nath took 2 meals in a day every morning and evening. He was not particular about what he eats. It's always it's always same food, two chapatis, some dal and a vegetable. He drank 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. He pays cash and tips well. So, dear students, you must have understood what information has been collected by Nishad about Mr. Nath. So, we'll proceed towards the next question. Question number 5 is there in front of you. Why does Maya think Mr. Nath is a crook? Who does she say this Sunday visitor is? So, answer, Maya thought that Mr. Nath was a crook because of his strange appearance and he did not work. He never talked to anyone at Shankar house, though he had been living there for more than 1 year. He had scars on his face, which, according to Maya, must have been the burn scars which would have got when police had set his house on fire. Moreover, he didn't receive any letter, receive any letters and had only one visitor to visit him. She said that the Sunday visitor must be his accomplice in crime, and and he came every now and then to give part of it to his partner, give the part of money, part of benefit to his partner. So this was the idea of Maya about Mr. Nath. Means Maya's perception was there in this way about Mr. Nath. Okay, so we are going towards question number 6. Does Nishad agree with Maya about Mr. Nath? How does he feel about him? We have answer, no. Nishad didn't agree with Maya about Mr. Nath. He felt he must be so lonely and wanted to have friends. He said he said that he was not a criminal because he was so thin and looked poor and starving. He argued with Maya that he can't be a bad man if he gave Ramesh such generous tips. So, in this way, Nishad's opinion about Mr. Nath is different. Maya's opinion about Mr. Nath is different. So, dear students, you also have to by this investigation of Maya and Nishad, you must form your own opinion also. We'll go towards next question. Question number 7. Who do you think Mr. Nath is? Okay, your opinion. Write a paragraph about him. So you can write. I am giving one ideal answer to you, but you have it is expected you must write answer on your own. Mr. Nath is a patient of the Dr. Mother of Maya and Nishad. Okay, he has scars on his face. These are fire burns. He he ashamed of moving about freely with those ugly scars. So this is the possibility that he has scars. He had got burned, and uh, he may feel shy to just to move about with those scars. He may be feeling inferior, so he keeps aloof. Aloof means he just keep himself lonely, alone. He just be far from people. Perhaps he is undergoing possible surgery, so there is possibility that he must be undergoing surgery. Regarding that, he is lonely. Okay, he allows only his brother to visit him on Sundays. This is our guess. This is our guess. Okay, you can guess on your own. I have guessed like that. That person may be his brother. Maya takes him for an escape criminal, but her brother Nishad disagree with her. His attitude is sympathetic and sensible towards Mr. Nath. So this was question number 7. We'll go towards question number 8, dear students. What else do you think Nishad and Maya will find about him. How will they ever be friends? Think about these questions and write a paragraph or two to continue story. It is the task for you. I am just giving one ideal guideline. You can write, you can continue story on your own, and which is very important, dear students. But in what way we can continue? One of the ways I am giving over here. Nishad and Maya, however, agree to cooperate in their enquiry about Mr. Nath. They manage to get a chance to open his trunk, but they find only clothes and books in the trunk instead of money. One day, they question their mother how Mr. Nath got scars and why he was so reserved. They start a dialogue with Mr. Nath also. They find the man very friendly, sweet, and loving. So, these may be the possibilities, dear students. I hope you must have got clear idea about question answers. About question answers, you must have got clear idea now. And dear students, this is the time that I have to uh, say you bye. We'll meet in next video. So wait for my next video, and don't forget, and always remember. What will you remember? That you have to give one like, as well as you have to subscribe this channel, dear students. Thank you very much.